guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna showcase my pets and pets and stuff, like pets and like strollers and stuff, and I will give out my doubles. And you need to give me something good back. Same. So let's start with my bee. I'm not giving out, not for trading my bee, but this is my bee. This stinger. So I'm the bee queen because I'm the bee queen. Next is my llama. We have seen Mimi along a lot time. She got robbed once. She's scared to go on. No, oh, this is my red panda. I will give him away. This is my red panda. He's a rare, isn't he? No, it's an ultra rare. This is my other red panda. Yeah, I'm giving out this red panda, not the other one. This red panda. Isn't he cute? Now my Shiba Inu. So yeah, I was just saying, this is my Shiba Inu. This is my rhino. He's ultra rare, you know why? No, he's legendary, you know why? Because his egg is not around now. Farm egg now. This is my black what's it called? It's just say, but he's a puma, black puma, not cheetah. No, I don't know how you say it. Black panther. He's a black panther. He's a panther. This is a Kika. I call her Kika, but she's a. I wish again, I forgot. But yeah, this is her. So cute. This is my Chico. I call him Chico, but this is like fancy fox or something like that. This is Chico. I have Coco right here. Llama, I call her Llama because someone took her on that. I don't know if you're watching this. Sorry. This is my cat, Simone. I had him since this is my newborn that I got recent. Got this chicken, Boo Boo. He's a Boo Boo. Oh no, let me put you back in here. I'm not gonna give these away because I'm trying to make a neon one. So if you want to, you could give me your order. If you don't want your order, look at them. Look at them. This is my other Sam. This is my other order. This is the new one that I got. He's a newborn, but I got him. Look at him. So yeah, and let's showcase our stroller. So this is. Oh, let's put Sam out. Let's put my order away. Okay, this is one of my strollers. This is very rare, it's like a legendary because this should be in a Halloween update not anymore. Okay. This is our regular that we usually get. Don't ask why I have a lot of apples. I'm trying to scam people with them. This is, I can't, but this is my bike and this is my bicycle. I should have like a little thing where I sort it for my things. This is, oh my god. What is this? What is this? I don't know you. This is one of my things. This is my donut. Yeah, I don't care. Here's this. These are all of my toys. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and put notification. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I love ya. And ooh.